As she sneezed, it ruptured a disc in her spine, and when it collapsed, a nerve got trapped between her two vertebrae.
Bro, her sneeze pulled a full WWE finishing move on her spine. Where was her
Suddenly,
warranty?
she couldn't move, and even though she had 3 separate operations, she still suffered extreme pain.
This is not a sneeze. This is a spinal earthquake.
For the next 2 years, she was bedridden, needing painkillers so strong she would hallucinate.
All right, real talk. If a sneeze causes intense back pain, numbness, or weakness, don't ignore it. It could be a herniated disc compressing a nerve. That's serious.